Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best pan for frying chicken in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Lodge L14SK3 cast iron skillet for frying. From the ages, cast iron utensils are working hard to satisfy their users and achieve ultimate success in the mission. That's why Lodge opts for this fantastic material and brings a variety of cast iron cookware with matchless versatility and durability. L14SK3 cast iron skillet from Lodge is a fabulous stance amongst the best pans for frying potatoes. Being cast iron utility, the product serves with a facility of usage in an oven, on a stovetop, or a grill. You can take it to your picnic resorts since the pot is also compatible with the campfire. While helping you in the preparation of slow cooking recipes, this 15.25-inch skillet inspires you through vast functionality. To clarify, fry potatoes, stir, bake, sear, and sauté your favorite eatables. And get ready to fly in the sky of flavors and aroma. Number 2. Our second best pick is Gotham Steel 9.5-inch frying pan. Now you go with a robust aluminum pan that features an award-winning coating of T-cerama from Gotham. Hence, the entire limelight is here. The aluminum significantly distributes heat evenly throughout the pan when frying your potatoes. The titanium ceramic coating meanwhile functions similarly to the Nonstick and gives you an impressive fried potatoes release without greasing. The importance of the interior coating seems so vast when we get to know about its durability. As the manufacturers ensure its scratch-proof nature, you immediately feel an attraction to buy this pan for frying potatoes. However, this non-stick frying pan is not only made to last for long, but the inner layer of T-cerama coating behaves sincerely towards the health of its user. Number 3. Our third best pick is T-fal E93897 Professional Non-Stick Thermo Spot Heat Indicator Fry Pan. With a T-fal non-stick pan for frying, you not only buy a skillet to prepare French fries or potato frying, but you avail the chance to experience a whole ride of thrill and luxury. To clarify, the features that matchlessly add royalty to your cooking span are part of this T-fal E93897, for instance, the presence of thermo spot heat indicator that changes color upon appropriate preheating so that you get to know about the right time of pouring potatoes and other foods. Most importantly, the interior is scratch resistant and so durable that even using a metal spatula doesn't make any difference. Moreover, the titanium reinforced non-stick inner contains no lead, cadmium, or any other toxin. Also, there is no need for extravagant greasing to enjoy mouth-watering and healthier yield. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Tramontina 80114/537DS Professional Aluminum Non-Stick Restaurant Fry Pan. An NSF-certified Tramontina 80114/537DS non-stick pan that is quite ideal for professional usage is indeed the best pan for frying potatoes. Moreover, the fantastic part of the story is that the fry pan is easily adaptable for both commercial and non-commercial usage. So, either you're a chef at a restaurant or a housewife, the pan offers ample opportunities to sauté, sear, scramble eggs, home-fried potatoes and chicken. Most importantly, the exterior comprises heavy-gauge aluminum construction that furthermore features an aesthetic satin finish. The aluminum plays a vital role in quick and even distribution of heat throughout the cooking surface. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is GreenLife CC0023820001 Soft Grip Pan to enjoy pan-fried russet potatoes. While aiming to introduce something that features a unique tint along with incredible service, we bring you a set of 2 turquoise pans 7-inch and 10, from the trustworthy manufacturer that is GreenLife. The turquoise aluminum exterior, furthermore, comprises complementary soft grip handles that are a definite bonus. Also, the manufacturers promote convenient handling because of design and cool touch quality. I am now coming on to the inner coating of this GreenLife CC0023820001 frying pan. So the inner layer comprises a non-stick healthy thermaline ceramic. Luckily it also lacks any kind of toxic chemical, for instance, PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, non-toxic frying pan. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.